हेलो जी, गुड आफ्टरनून. सो आई होप आप लोग सब अच्छा कर रहे होंगे. सो बेसिकली आई गॉट अ पार्सल फ्रॉम Rynox एज यू कैन सी. सो आज हम इसको अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं. So this is a riding jacket that they have sent me. This is the riding pants. So मैंने अभी ट्राई करके देखा jacket and pant. Both are very comfortable and looks nice but obvious. So this is Tornado Pro 4 jacket from Rynox, and these are the Tom Noctis pants. Also, I'll put all the descriptions below for this riding pants and riding gears, so you can go check out their website, which is rynoxgears.com, and you can purchase it from there. Thank you so much Rynox Gear for providing me the riding gears, and now you're gonna see these riding pants and riding gears in the upcoming videos and photos on Instagram. Actually, I'm exploring all the curves and genres of motorsports. Follow me on Instagram by the name Nihal Aamir, which is Nihal AAMIR.